How many times do you send an application to a company and the HR manager simply ghosted you? I guess it happened to everyone. And the reason why it happens is because, especially over the last 18 months, the HR departments have been some of the busiest teams in each and every company, right? So in these couple of videos, I want to talk about the meaning of the word ideas. Everyone knows what ideas are, but in a business context, we can actually break it down into 5 business imperatives. The first one is inclusion and belonging, digital acceleration, enabling experiences, agile organizations, and finally skills. If we look at inclusion, I think that inclusion has been one of the greatest focus of a lot of businesses and a lot of HR teams throughout the world, especially over the last 18 months. And interviewing a guest for my HR HQ podcast, inclusion is definitely one of the keywords that gets repeated every time. Moving people from working from offices to working from home definitely created the need of creating a different kind of inclusion, a digital inclusion where everyone feels part of a community. Everyone is aligned with the mission and vision of the company, and nobody feels left out or left alone. So inclusion is definitely one of the key topics for this year. Turning attention to the second imperative, we find digitalization. Digitalization is a big process, right? And it can mean a lot of things. It can involve a lot of aspects at the same time. When we look at digitalization from our own perspective for the business and the industry that we are in the chatbot space, we actually see that technology can really enable HR teams to free up a lot of time from repetitive processes, repetitive conversations that can be spent into more strategic tasks that can really enable, HR teams to have more conversations at scale without being afraid of not having the internal resources to actually have these conversations with your own employees. But the digitalization can also be about embedding a better HCM system. It can be about new policies for working from home. We see that 2020 and 2021 is really reshaping how technology is seen within the enterprise. But at the same time, we also think that technology is not anything else than an enabler, so to speak, for other imperatives that we're going to discuss in the next videos, which is experiences, employee experiences, and agile environments. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned. Another video will be coming up soon. Thanks.